Part 1. Introduction. The Oracle Autonomous Database completely revolutionizes data management. It helps businesses focus on innovation and application development instead of worrying about database administration, patching, backups, or security. Oracle manages the infrastructure, performance tuning, and safety, while you focus on building solutions. Part 2. Why Autonomous Database? Oracle ensures data safety, eliminates many cyber vulnerabilities, and guarantees 99.95% availability. This is possible because Oracle has been working on automation for more than 20 years, from memory management and workload tuning in older releases to the powerful 23i release today. Not only the database, but also the engineered systems infrastructure has been optimized to deliver the best performance. Part 3. Types of Autonomous Database. Oracle Autonomous Database is not just one service. It's a family of cloud services, each designed for a specific workload. KeyCap One Autonomous Data Warehouse, ADW, optimized for analytics and reporting. Stores data in columnar format for fast queries. KeyCap 2 Autonomous Transaction Processing, ATP, optimized for transactional workloads. Stores data in row format for high-speed transactions. Both share the same powerful features like automated provisioning, patching, and backups. Exadata infrastructure for performance and scalability. Native JSON support, SOTA APIs, RESTful endpoints, and even MongoDB compatibility for developers. Part 4. How data is optimized. In ADW, queries are parallelized and use summaries, indexes, and result cache for fast analytics. In ATP, indexes and caching in memory speed up transactions. Oracle even detects missing indexes and creates them automatically. Statistics are gathered continuously to ensure the best execution plans, and SQL plan management ensures there's no performance regression. There are two deployment choices for Autonomous Database. 1. Serverless, ADP serverless. Start small, pay only for what you use. Auto scales from a few CPUs to hundreds. Can pause and stop to save costs. 2. Dedicated, ADP dedicated, runs on fully dedicated Exadata infrastructure in the public cloud. Provides highest isolation and customization. Suitable for large enterprises with strict operational needs. Part 6. Conclusion. So to summarize, Oracle Autonomous Database offers 1. ADW for analytics. 2. ATP for transactions. 3. Serverless for flexibility. 4. Dedicated for full control. It's a complete cloud service family designed to simplify data management and let you focus on innovation. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get rest with knowledge for more Oracle DBA and tech content. See you in the next lesson. Oracle Autonomous Database Licensing. In this lesson, we'll focus on autonomous database licensing and pricing models. What are ECPUs? Oracle uses an ECPU-based pricing metric for autonomous database. But what are ECPUs? ECPUs are an abstract, performance-based compute unit, elastically allocated from the autonomous database's shared pool of Exadata compute and storage servers. They're not physical cores or threads, instead, they're a flexible measure of compute resources, and the default compute model for all new autonomous database instances. Checklist graphic with icons for simplicity, auto-scaling, and cost savings. The benefits of ECPUs include a pricing model not tied to hardware type or speed, avoiding complexity. Finer system sizing and auto-scaling for autonomous data warehouse. Reduced storage costs for ADW instances. Some key points. 1. Available for ADW and ATP, with a minimum of 2 ECPUs. 2. You can scale up in single ECPU increments for maximum efficiency. 3. Licensing models. Pay as you go or bring your own license, BYOL. You'll also choose a database edition. This impacts the maximum ECPU values allowed. Customers can pick between two main pricing models. 1. Universal Credit Model, UCM, includes all options with standard pricing. 2. BYOL. If you already own Oracle database licenses, you pay much less. Advantages include, with UCM, customers get full access to all database features at one standard price. With BYOL, they leverage existing Oracle licenses to cut costs significantly. Licensing restrictions. Some restrictions apply. 1. BYOL with more than 64 ECPUs requires Oracle RAC licenses, along with Enterprise Edition. 2. BYOL with Standard Edition is limited to 32 ECPUs maximum, even with autoscaling. And for the highest availability SLA of 99.995%, BYOL customers need Enterprise Edition, RAC, and Active Data Guard. Credit payment models. Universal credit pricing offers two structures. 1. Pay as you go, PAYG, flexible, pay only for what you use. 1. Annual universal credits. A one-year commitment, like a prepaid gift card, that provides discounts and flexibility across Oracle Cloud services. Switching licenses. You can also toggle between BYOL and license included dynamically, without downtime. For example, switching from BYOL to Enterprise Edition license included is as simple as going to More Actions Update license, selecting your edition, and saving. The console updates instantly. And that's all for today's session on Oracle Autonomous Database Licensing. We learned what ECPUs are, their benefits, and how Oracle provides flexible licensing options like universal credits and bring your own license. Licensing might sound complicated, but once you understand the models, it becomes much easier to choose what's best for your workload and cost efficiency. This is Rohit from Get Rest with Knowledge, helping you learn database concepts step by step. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss a lesson. See you in the next video.